flying fox?
The flying fox have big wings and have
And when does he go? He hunt for food.
in the dark.
Hmm?
In the dark.
In the dark. Where does he sleep?
He sleep on the tree,
Hmm.
but having upside down.
So he doesn't sleep in the cave? Who sleep in the cave?
Some birds do.
Other kind of birds.
Yeah.
So what can he do with his big wings?
His big wing help him fly on the sky.
And what else can he do with that big wings? What can he carry with the big wings?
He baby while flying.
Very good. He can carry the babies while flying. Good job. And where does he live?
He lives in Australia.
Australia and
And
Asia.
Asia. He
So
lives in Australia and Asia.
so what he like to eat?
I don't know.
What
A
does
fruit.
fruits? Good job. He like to eat fruits, and he also, but he mostly eat what from the fruit and what else?
Worms.
No, he didn't eat worm. He eats like the bee, Hannah. What the bee like to eat?
Honey.
No, the bee make honey. What can the bee eat to make honey? What does the bee bring home?
Nectars.
Nectar from
From
flowers. He eat nectar from flowers. So is it hard to find food for the flying fox?
No.
Because
Because the flying fox eyes can see very well even in the dark.
and
His nose can smell from far away.
very good. Okay, so when he fly out, when does he start to fly out?
In the night.
Good job. When the sun is